I've been eating all day, so my stomach is full. Hips are about 1/4 inch over 36. And thighs are about 1/4 inch over 20. And the scale says 128.6. So still kind of plateauing around 128 in the same measurements that I was. And just staying focused, being patient, and eating fruits, raw fruits, all day long. So one thing I wanted to mention was don't ever feel like it's too late to restore your health or restore your body. I feel like as long as you're alive, you can make a change. So don't ever feel like, well, I've been smoking cigarettes since I was little, I'm just going to keep doing it. There's no sense in changing now. Well, you can make a change. Don't ever feel like it's too late. Or I've been drinking since I was young and I've been doing it my whole life. I'm just going to continue. Alcohol and cigarettes will put your body into a hyper-aging mode. It'll really dehydrate the skin, and dehydrated skin will wrinkle and sag, and it dehydrates your entire body. Alcohol and cigarettes are both dehydrating. Eardrops to dry out your ears, if you get water in them, contain alcohol because alcohol dries up water. So when you drink alcohol, you're really drying out your entire body. You become very dehydrated. And your body is mostly water. So the one thing that your body needs is water. And alcohol and cigarettes deprive your body of that. So one thing that would greatly improve your health is to cut that out. Another thing would be to go on a plant-based diet. And you can make that change any time of your life. It's never too late. It'll help restore your skin, it'll restore your tissues, all your organs. Your entire well-being will be restored. So raw fruits and vegetables not only prevent disease, they can also repair damage. They repair damage very well. So again, don't ever feel like it's too late to start restoring your health. There's always time. Okay? Thank you for watching.